How to delete all the viruses from Windows 10 and 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete viruses that are present in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to head over to your start icon over here, and from here, we'll go ahead and search for clean mgr. Once you find it, you need to simply go ahead and open the disk cleanup, and then you need to click on OK. Now from here you can go ahead and check all the options that are present here, and once you do that you need to click on OK. And from here you can see an option that says you want to permanently delete this file, you need to click on delete files. And you need to simply press Windows and R key, and this will open a run dialog box. In the run dialog box you need to simply go ahead and type temp, and once you do that you need to click on OK. Now, as you can see that this opens all the temporary files that are in your computer, you need to simply go ahead and press Ctrl A in order to select all of that, and from here you need to click on delete. And that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.